Hey, welcome back everyone. Stuart Prepping here with another Steel to Reel Club unboxing. I get the Pro Box, which is also the Level 3 box. Let's see what we got in here for the month of December. Stuff out. Nothing else in the box. It's all out. Alright, what we got here? We got information on something which I think goes to this. Two items. Alright, what should we get into first? Let's get into this. What says Ready Man? So that's pretty much, it's a slingshot. Just instead of it being like with a bungee product, it's more like you build up the momentum and throw it. Like what was that saying? What was that guy's name against the Giant?
David.
David versus the Giant, yeah.
David versus Goliath.
David versus Goliath, yeah. Sometimes I say the wrong thing than what I'm thinking, but yeah, this is something like what he had. So you pretty much put your projectile in it and get ready to throw, you know. Shows you instructions on it.
That's pretty cool, actually.
You just find use stuff at the right dimension or get stuff. You could probably use like a golf ball or something, who knows.
Rocks.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. Let's set this out to the side.
Hurricane matches.
Yeah, hurricane matches.
That's pretty sweet.
Should've just did that to begin with. So hurricane matches, what's the info on them? You can burn up to 12 seconds, 20 matches in total. Okay, so comes in this own little container. I think this kind of helps it from jiggling around and damaging the matches. And you can also use that as
Fire starter.
Yeah. And you have your striker on the side, which is pretty neat. So you got some matches. Here we got something else from UCO
Lantern flashlight.
A lantern flashlight, yeah. Let's see if this works. Pulls out like that. Of course, it needs 3 AAAs. A nice little lantern. So the use of flashlight is just a scene, and if you want to use the lantern part, you just pull it out. Which is a neat little item, but honestly I prefer rechargeable. What is it? 3 3 lumens on low, 60 on medium, 118 on high, and then 60 on strobe. And I think it's waterproof too. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's kind of one cool thing. So let's get into the next items. Let's see what we have here. How do we open this? Right here. I don't know what this is.
It's like a sharpener.
This looks like, yeah, it's a sharpener. Looks like it goes for this. It's the same company.
Yep, probably sharpen it.
So we got a sharpener and a knife. Let's get into this knife. And get into this package. I have it to the knife I just had. Just gonna try using this plastic letter opener. So we got a, I don't know how to pronounce it.
I don't know either. I've never heard of this company.
It's a pretty nice little solid knife in a case.
Is it plastic?
Yeah, it's plastic. It's a neat little item. So next we have the tubing.
I think the rest of it goes through that cup.
Yeah, it goes to the cup. We have the rinse lid. So the cup we got in last month's box, November. And so this has holes in it, so it can kind of be used as a makeshift shower. And you have a line of tubing to go with it. And here is the filter, which I thought I got. We have the filter, so all this stuff goes together with the collapsible, some kind of silicone water bottle. This is the screw-on lid, so you can kind of make it into a shower. It's the filter system that goes along with it. And now I got the complete set. So I got this. This came in last month's box. It's steel to rail. And this is all the connections now, the rest of it for it.
You made a pretty cool new kind of weapon.
Yeah. We got a knife sharpener, matches my lantern, the filter, the cap, and then the tubing go along for that, and then the sling. You can throw some objects. That's it for this month's Steel to the Wheel box, and like and subscribe, and you guys have a good day.